Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain Craner Boat Time Merge reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys, and it is an online shopping store that deals with boat time t-shirts, hoodies and various cleaner accessories including backpack, socks, stickers, wristband and logo key ring. Apart from that, guys, the people from United States or United Kingdom are looking forward about the information of this website or about the legitimacy of this particular site. Apart from that, guys, you can also check out the basic collection in yellow color including hoodie yellow and t-shirt yellow. Now, talking about the payment information, guys, they have not provided the separated payment information section on the site, which is a negative sign. And in the product category list, you will find the info related to shipping cost and return as well. So no payment info is available on this website, guys, which is a negative sign. However, coming to the shipping policy, it will take around 2 to 3 business days, which is UPS shipping for United States, guys, and the Ascendia shipping will take around 8 to 17 business days. Same you can read for Europe and rest of the world. Now, guys, talking about the shipping cost, it will be calculated at checkout. So this was the shipping information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a positive sign according to legitimacy aspect. And talking about the domain information, the domain was created on 6th of December 2019. This shows that this particular site is an old website and this defines its legitimacy, guys, but the domain age factor is not enough to define its legitimacy. So let's check out the company's information. So you can see they have not provided the about us page or about us information on the website, which is a negative sign. However, they have also a jelly store, so you can check out the jelly store for your knowledge, and you will get various products on the official jelly store as well. And guys, talking about the contact details of this website, at the bottom of the web page they have provided the email address, but no contact details including official address and contact number is available. This is a negative sign, but the email which is given on the web page matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. Now talking about the social media presence, you can take a look that the site has strong social media presence on Instagram and YouTube. Guys, the site comes with 7.42 million subscribers on YouTube and 10.9k followers on Instagram. You can take a look at the followers and the post as well. And there is huge engagement on these social media platforms, guys, which is a positive sign. Apart from that, the trust index score of this site is 60%, which is really very good. Now coming to the return policy of this website, guys, let's check out the return policy by visiting the shipping and returns policy page. So here they have mentioned 30 days of return policy, and guys, they have also provided the email address for any return questions. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about the Craner Boat Time Merge reviews, no reviews are available regarding this site on the internet and on the official website as well. So this is a negative sign. And guys, talking about the conclusion about this review, so yes, this website is popular as this is an old website and has a strong social media presence, which is a positive sign and makes the site quite legit. But guys, the site comes with few loopholes as well, so we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. However, the site appears to be legit. So guys, you need to be aware of the places before shopping for products from it. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, and do comment about your experience regarding this website. And guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.